Hey team, we're going to do a little review over rational numbers first off here. So we are going to do this by looking at a Venn diagram, and that will help us to see how these numbers fit into these different classifications or these different categories. So we are going to start off with the smallest group of numbers, of real numbers, and those are the natural numbers. Okay, the natural numbers are going to be our counting numbers. So for example, we're talking about the numbers that you start off, like if you're counting your toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So all of the natural numbers include the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, all those counting numbers. The next group that we're going to talk about are the whole numbers. So whole numbers, what we do is we take those natural numbers, so all of the natural numbers, and we're going to add one extra number to it, and that's 0. So whole numbers are all of the natural numbers plus 0. So we could say 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the only difference between the natural numbers and the whole numbers is the whole numbers set includes 0. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. The next set, the next set is going to be our integers. So the integers are all the whole numbers and all the negative whole numbers with those. So we could say that would include -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. So all of the negative whole numbers, 0, and all the positive whole numbers. And then the last set that we're going to add are the rational numbers. So these rational numbers, sorry, not whole numbers, these rational numbers include all of the integers and fractions. So up to this point, we haven't had any decimals. For your rational numbers, this is where we're going to start adding in fractions and decimals. So we've got this set here. So this set we are going to take and we are going to put them into our Venn diagram based off of what we've just been talking about. So if I'm looking at the most specific group, the natural numbers, from here, again, these are numbers that I typically count with. So those numbers would include 1, 17, and then this number also right here, the square root of 4, which is 2. So when we go back here to our Venn diagram, we can add those numbers, 1, 17, and the square root of 4, which is 2. Now, if I look back here, the whole numbers now include 1, 17, square root of 4, but I'm also going to add in 0 now. So our whole numbers add in 0. Now I've got my integers next. So that again includes 1, 0, 17, square root of 4. And now I'm going to add in my negative whole numbers. So negative 25 and negative 100. And now finally, my set of rational numbers here is going to include all of those numbers that we've already circled. And then these fractions are decimals. So all of those numbers are going to end up going into our whole numbers, or sorry, into our rational numbers. All right, so that concludes our review on real numbers here. Again, we've got these different categories that we're going to find to classify these numbers. So you're going to do some practice with this now, and I hope you enjoy using Flipgrid here.